All right, everyone. So to set up a data sheet in your science journal, open up a blank page. And then one of the first things we're going to write is a spot for your name and date at the very top. So you can write your name in here and then the date. Wait to write in the date until you are actually collecting data, because you're going to want to write in the date that you are collecting. Also at the top, we're going to leave a spot for plot number. Like we talked about earlier, there are 10 plots throughout our site, and we want to know which one we're in. Next, we'll write mulch treatment. So that is woody mulch, straw-like mulch, or no mulch. So I'm going to leave a little line here so that there's a space for me to write those in when I'm collecting my data. And then we're just going to make a couple of simple tables for recording the seedling size data and the soil moisture data. So to start with, I'm going to add in my plant data. And there are a few things that we'll need to record. The plant's number. That will be labeled. Each one is numbered 1 through 8 in each plot. Which species it is, either golden bush or monkey flower. Its condition. So that's whether it's alive, dead, or maybe missing. And then last, of course, the height. And that will be in centimeters. And then I'll just make this into a nice table. And since I know that we have 8 plants in our plot, I'm going to go ahead and number the spots for each of the plants that we need to measure. So then the species, condition, and height for plant 1 will go along here, and so on for each of these numbers. All right, beneath that, I'm going to make some space for our soil moisture data. This is an even simpler table. The two things we need is just the number. This doesn't matter so much, just helps us keep track of how many readings we're doing. And then the percent volumetric water content, or VWC as it's labeled on the meter. And I'll make a little table out of this. And we're going to do 4 readings, so I'm going to again label it 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this, the readings themselves aren't numbered, but you can help you keep track of making sure you've written down 4 different soil moisture readings. And that can be your data table. So when you either visit me at the site on Zoom or maybe on ThingLink, we can work together to fill out all of the spots in this data sheet.